My name is Dr. Soroush Zaghi. I myself am an ENT surgeon specializing in sleep and breathing. It was almost about 10 or 15 years ago. I was playing basketball with some friends and I got hit in the face with a basketball. And since that time, I'd always struggled with nasal obstruction, sinus, allergy problems. As an ENT myself, I didn't really realize the magnitude of the problem until more recently when I decided to come in for a consultation and finally have you take a look inside my nose. I knew that I didn't love the way my nose looked. It was a little bit crooked, but I didn't really know exactly what I wanted. And so when I came here with your confidence, you really insisted, you had a vision for it. And I feel so fortunate that I just put myself in your hands. Your staff is absolutely fantastic, from making an appointment to getting checked in. First of all, I felt welcomed. And second of all, in this era of COVID and cleanliness, I felt so comfortable to be here in your clinics and in your hands. I left feeling confident that I would get an outstanding result. And to be honest with you, the result that I achieved was far greater than I could ever hope for. The recovery process was a little, just as you would expect with any kind of surgery, a little tough for the first few days, but then it evened out. Patients should know and expect that they're going to be leaving the hospital a little bit dizzy, maybe a little bit nauseous, bleeding from the nose for the first 2 or 3 days. And I myself as a surgeon can relate and tell patients to expect this. And the best results really came like 1 to 2 months. And by 2 months, my nose was completely clear and my breathing much improved. I have had the privilege of referring many of my own patients to you and had them come by one, telling me what a great experience they've had with you, from your bedside manner to your surgical technique and your genuine care for the patient's well-being and outcome. I am overjoyed. I'm overjoyed. I love aesthetically the way it looks, but more importantly, the fact that I can breathe, the fact that I don't get sinus headaches. I can't tell you what a joy, privilege, ability, like something as simple as breathing is, and the impact it has on your life.